Hello and welcome to a brand new video. This is how to create an account on Anime Planet. Basically, what you want to do is go to sign up if you don't have an account already, which is why you're here. And I want to be John J. Smith. And I'm going to add my email, which I'm going to hide from you so that you don't steal my things. And I'm going to use a strong password. Yep, and then I'm going to create an account. I agree. What you want to do right now is you want to do the CAPTCHA. Yep, I am not a robot. And you want to create an account. Now you get an activation email. You mosey on to your email. You refresh until that Anime Planet email appears, seemingly as if from out of nowhere. It's not there. You can check our junk. Yep. So if it doesn't make it to your actual email, it will get to your junk. And yeah, as soon as you activate it, you'll find that your account has been activated and you have an Anime Planet account. Not a website, you have an account. Thank you so much for watching.